Hello friends, so we will discuss the refund of leave salary second video and pension contribution. It is a case of absorption in the present organization from deputation. Earlier case was lien under direct recruitment. So when a government servant proceeds on foreign service and deputation and later gets absorbed, whether the leave salary pension contribution needs to be refunded or not is the question. So relevant rule is similar 116 and 117 of the FR and SR. So it is related to a government servant absorbed permanently in an autonomous body, public sector undertaking or foreign organization where he was sent on foreign service. The leave salary and pension contribution paid by the borrowing organization are not refundable to them. So from the first para itself it is clear, if an employee has come on deputation in an organization and absorbed, his LSPC need not be refunded because his job starts from the date of absorption only. The previous job is counted in the previous organization. So that is the case, the LSPC is not refunded. So here in the permanent absorption, no refund will be given. If the employee is absorbed in the present organization and lien was retained earlier, the borrowing organization is not eligible for refund of the leave salary pension contribution. The parent department keeps these contributions as per rules. Why? Because these contributions were for the period when the officer was on foreign service and lien was retained. Once absorbed, the government employee ceases to be under the control of the parent department, but the services rendered before absorption remain pensionable with the government. So in the case of lien, refund can be given. In the case of deputation, refund cannot be given. In case of retirement benefits by new employer, if the new organization provides its own retirement benefits and the officer does not want continuing of past service, then no further government liability arises. In case of counting past service for pension, Rule 37 of CCS pension rule, then no refund is allowed either, but the entire LSPC deposited earlier will be accounted for towards officer's pension. The relevant rules are referred here. Then summary: absorbed in foreign present organization, refund no, contribution stay with parent government, reverts back to parent cadre may be adjusted, treated as deputation, counting service for pension under Rule 37 no, pension liability rests with government, then gets pension from new organization no, treated as fresh employment. So I hope the issue is clear to you. Both issues we have discussed. Thanks for listening. Please tune